Me, Mama, it says me.
Want me to read it to you?
Yeah.
Come here. It says, to our son. This dinosaur is smiling. He's happy through and through because he's bringing wishes to his special son. That's you. Happy birthday. To Michael, we love you so, so much. Love Mommy and Daddy. Yes. I love you.
Mama.
Here you go. I'll read yours. Okay.
Where's my kiss?
Come here. For a daughter who's the sweetest friend oh. Hey, right over here. So two kisses right over there.
On the back.
Mama, give me one.
On your birthday and every day,
Okay, wait for Bella.
you rule. To
Sit
Bella,
right there.
we love you so, so much.
Sit on the
Love
floor.
Mommy and Daddy.
Give me a second.
Good boy.
Give me a kiss.
Please. Give me
Which one you want to wear?
that.
Round, fabulous. You got it.
I like yours. This I like.
Okay.
Give
Now,
me-
I think Daddy has something for you.
Give me.
All right, sit down next to Michael. Sit next to Michael. Back up. Okay. One for Bella.
One for me too?
I'm going to start with that one.
Ooh. What is it? Oh, why? Wow. Thank you. You look like Sour Toys.
Whoa.
A Sour Toy. Sour Toys, I think.
That's not what toys I think.
A Sour Toy.
Turn it over.
Who is that, buddy?
A Sour Toy. Wow.
Who is it?
This is Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
I got it.
You got
Is that the
it.
one you...
Camera, too.
Here was your camera.
Here's your camera.
Mommy,
You want to take a picture of it?
Michael, what'd you get?
Mommy, open it.
Tell Daddy who they are.
They sour.
Who? What's their names?
And my present.
It's your present. Do you like it?
Yes.
Obi-Wan. Who's the other guy? Who's the bad guy?
Yes.
Yeah, what's his name?
Rapunzel, how pretty.
Yeah, that's right.
Hope it's easy to get out.
What is this? Controller.
Yes, that's right. Good boy. Give me 5. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
Bella, what did you get?
Who is it?
Who is that?
Rapunzel, Mama.
Here, give me, I'll do it. Come here. I'll do it. Great.
Who's it?
My brother. Come back
I
in.
want you to open mine.
Well, you gotta open more first.
Oh.
Oh, we need a scissor.
Now you gotta sit back down.
You need scissors for this.
I need scissors for this one.
And
All
Mom.
right, Bella, sit down. We got more.
And I'll
Sit down.
open it
Sit
while you
down.
Open your present.
Michael, sit down. Over there, next to Bella. Go over there.
That's mine.
Michael, go sit next to Bella.
What's this? Mommy, Daddy, I left you. Yeah, that's in.
One for Michael.
Ooh.
One for Bella.
What's in it?
Here, Bella.
What's in it?
Ooh, what is that? Not a Star Wars.
Where's that one?
You like?
That's the other coward.
You said.
Another coward.
Another one. Why do you think you got another one?
I don't want that one.
Michael, that's what you said you wanted this year. I think you're getting a lot of that.
Who is that, buddy? Do you know? You know who they are?
Oh, I love my carrot.
She was my carrot.
I bought it. Toys.
You want Papa open it for you?
Go give it to Papa. He'll open it.
Come here, I'll help you.
Just like it.
All right, Bella, sit down. Pop, will open that. You come here.
Oh. Hi there.
One for Bella.
What's going on?
Here, buddy.
Whoa! What is it? My pink bar is wet.
Show Daddy.
No, we spoke. You said
You like it?
I
we
love
need
it.
for like next week. It would be better for them to.
Flowers!
Right? I think that's something we learned.
Who's that?
Now he's in
Yours.
school.
Oh, I didn't see you open it. it.
What's his name?
You're.
Alright.
You like
What is
him?
that?
Mom, I
You do? I didn't see you guys open this one.
Yeah.
Wow. Bella, let me see. What
No,
is that?
probably won't be for this today.
Let me
I'm gonna be
see.
going away next week.
Do you know what that
Probably
is?
for a week
Think
after.
about.
What, do you know what it is?
Alright, so next week on Thanksgiving.
Dada, look.
Tinkerbell
No,
pajama.
I will let you know before.
Oh my goodness. Put your hands
Think about.
Alright. Thank you, thank you, thank you very
in.
much.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful. The face.
Is she happy?
You're.
All right, sit down. We got more. Sit down, Bella. Bella, come here. You gotta sit down. Come here, buddy. Sit next to Bella.
Okay. How many ones?
I guess that she called me.
How many ones?
That
Thank
work
you.
some of the
You got this, Mom.
Just do it a little.
Yeah, buddy. You got one more.
Oh.
There you go, Bella.
What's that?
Oh my goodness. What is that, Bella?
I guess it.
I love it.
What is it?
Mama, put it on me. Put it on me. You.
Push the buttons, buddy.
Mommy, put the gun on me.
Look what I found. It must have fallen out.
The ring.
What are you doing, Mom? Come on.
You go do your toys.
Okay.
You got one more, buddy.
Okay.
Last one.
Wait, no, the wrong way. Wrong way. Pick up your dress. Okay, this foot goes in this one. Okay, and that foot goes in your very own
It's the
honey.
most
Like mommy shoes. Put your feet in. All the in? Okay.
What
Show
do you got,
everyone
buddy?
your outfit.
Whoa.
How
Yes,
You got Star Wars.
Show daddy your shoes. Pick up your skirt. Show him your shoes. What did you do?
I like that. You want like that?
Pick up your skirt. Pick your dress up so daddy can see your shoes.
Whoa.
I have this.
You got Star Wars?
You gotta open it. What's inside?
You love it, Bella?
Yes.
Yes.
I can walk.
You can't walk.
You can't walk?
You do it. You do it.
You want to go take your baby for a walk?
Yes.
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
You have a
She has a lot of
choice.
hair, Bella.
Yes,
Gotta take care of this baby.
I got to get and the covers.
Okay.
Show daddy.
And
This way. Look at me. Look.
you're
Who's
what?
that?
You're flying like Tinkerbell?
You like
You have a hat like that, right?
yeah.
An Ewok, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got this.
Okay.
Look.
Wow.
Is it? My brain.
Look, and look what she came with.
He
A little lizard.
could, I could take him out. Look,
Good. Open the.
She's walking.
look at this.
She goes, I can't walk.
I can't walk.
Plus,
What are you
the dress is
doing?
Star Wars on her.
I wasn't gonna get her a 2-3.
Yeah.
That's super.
What's the guy in the end
Hey, go
say?
sit down.
What's the other guy say?
Come here, bring her over here. I'll help you.
I didn't see the last one. Who's the last one?
Did you lose your ring already?
No.
Where is it? It's in the paper.
The paper.
She's like, I can't walk back over there right now.
There it is.
Hey, look at this.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Your.
I don't know why she doesn't look happy this song. She's very angry looking, Rapunzel.
That's what's that?
That's her
What's
lizard.
this? I don't take it. What's this?
He's a bounty hunter.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, but I won't let you see me away.
Michael, you
That
like
is
your
pretty,
new presents?
This is my
Oh, oh, where you going?
one.
Is it everything you ever
I
wanted?
need to. And Miss Rapunzel and the right side.
Hey, what's that?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
Look at this.
Wow, look at pretty. Yeah.
That Max
Wow.
Rebo?
No, he's
And you have a
not.
Oh,
pretty
it's not?
outfit on.
I'll be there. She's on
Oh.
the camera.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you like all your presents?
Yes, Wanda.
Oh, I'll see you later. She said, bye, I'm going to the bagel store.
Too many bagels for that girl.
Peg Bundy over there.
And Rapunzel too.
Oh, and Rapunzel too.
All right, where's Daddy's kiss?
Alfika.
A bagel. A bagel.
Two bagels.
2 bagels.
What about mommy?
I got a bagel.
Bella, where's mommy and Daddy's
With the
kiss?
zipper open.
Go kiss mommy. Go kiss mommy. Bella,
Mama, thank you for my sour toy.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Bella, what do you say to mommy and Daddy?
My mommy not
Give me a
good.
kiss. Give everybody kisses. Let me fix you first. Hold on. Okay, now go.
Thank you for my
Oh.
What do you think, Bella?
No, that's mommy and daddy.
I have no
I'll give you
more
a jacket.
presents. Yeah.
You need more?
Hey, you can throw 'em up there.
Okay.
Pick up the papers. Give me the papers. I'll throw them.
Time to clean it up.
Get the papers. Give me the paper.
I want to play it.
You can play with it. Let's get rid of all the paper, though.